Hello guys, sama kayo sa akin sa bangko. I'm just testing the mic and see how it sounds. Nag-chat na yung karim ko. So samahan niyo ako, punta tayo ng bangko. Uli, magsasubmit lang ako ng VAT payment. So let's go. I-meet natin si captain natin. Doon na daw siya. Okay guys. Dito na si taxi. Ayan. Hello, brother.
Rebecca?
Yes. Yes. Rebecca Bumanlag.
Babagam?
Hmm?
Rebecca?
Bumanlag.
Bumanlag.
You know how to speak Tagalog? Bumanlag.
Difficult. Really?
It's easy.
Really?
Yeah. How are you, brother?
Good. Good. How about you? Good?
Yeah, very good.
So you enjoy your channel?
Ha?
Okay, here.
Yeah.
Or I go inside the bank.
You can
I
go.
go inside the bank.
You need the bank, right?
This is bank. Yeah, I
Yeah.
need, but no problem. I will go anywhere.
I will go on the other side.
No problem.
Yeah. ATM?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's inside.
Inside?
Yeah. I think there's a parking there. Hi, brother. For Mr. Rihan, business banking? Thank you. Alright guys, so tapos na tayong magbangko. Sobrang tagal natin sa loob kasi wala yung relationship manager namin. Kailangan nating pumila at hindi tayo special. Pabalik na tayo ng office and napasa ko na din yung ating VAT payment for this quarter. Hinihintay na lang natin yung Karim, no? 2 minutes pa daw eh. Captain has arrived na daw. Orange roof, Toyota Camry. Sobrang traffic, guys. Tignan nyo kung gaano ka-traffic yan. Saan na yun? Wala pa siya, guys. Pero sabi niya dito, nag-arrive na daw siya. Yan, arrive na. So, hindi natin alam kung nasaan na siya. Saan kaya yun? Umikot pa siya. Umikot pa si captain natin. Update muna natin si bossing. I will send him the proof of transfer. How is it like, guys, the audio sound quality? Is it fine? Can you hear me? Diyan na si brother. Ito na siya. 21699. Hindi ka man makakalabas. Hello, brother. Aray ko. Rebecca. Okay. I'm gonna transfer it to... Aray. Na tayo ng office. Aray ko. Ilok. I just got home from work and I bought some shawarma kasi nagugutom na ako. So, testing natin yung mic sa ASMR. Oh, ganda. Oh.
It will be under this context that is an NGO
Sarap.
coalition.
Setting merienda natin, guys. Kain tayo. Merienda and I have coffee. Nanood tayo ng balita.
Officially, we will develop an authentic line to the ICC as long as we are convinced that it will officially reach. Yes.
But have you spoken to lawyers, sir, on the possibility of this? I ask that because they seem to be very, very strict.
Guys, spicy shawarma with cheese.
They apply certain
7 dirhams.
confluence.
But if it's immaterial, I get what you're saying with the Supreme Court and of course the sentiment no, of people who may want to sign it. But if it's immaterial for you that the ICC accepted, what is the probative value of that?
ICC rules are very unconstitutional.
Are you that was issued by the ICC?
That is my sense. But then, again, and of course, there's this issue about the police.
ASMR.
Nagkagulo na yung issue eh.
I was hoping you can actually help us with that.
Yes, does not deal with the police.
Naubos na natin yung ating shawarma, guys. Sa tingin nyo, okay ba? Okay naman. Feeling ko okay naman eh. So, what I like about this DJI Mic Mini 2 is sobrang liit niya lang, tapos sobrang discreet niya lang. Tsaka, alam mo yon, for the mahiyain person talaga siya. Unlike yung sa yung isa, yung malaki, yun yung normal kong nakikita sa mga merong Osmo Pocket 3. Unlike dito, sobrang liit niya lang talaga. Very compact niya. Sobrang liit, 'di ba? Parang wala pa yatang 1 inch to. Tapos 10 grams lang yata yung bigat niya. And then, parang kaya niyang maka-reach kahit nasa malayo ka. So, you don't have to worry kung kung malayo ka sa camera mo kasi parang 20 meters yata yung yung range niya na kayang makakonect ng mic sa camera. Tsaka mabilis lang din naman siya i-connect. Parang may lang siya, may button lang siya dito. Yan, ito. May button lang siya dyan, long press mo lang. Tapos magko-connect na siya automatically sa device mo. So, ayun. Hindi ko pa siya masyadong hindi ko siya masyadong na-test kasi nga, kakakuha ko lang kahapon. So, yeah. So, I'm so excited na i-test pa at magamit pa siya sa mga future vlogs natin. So, yun lang guys. And thank you so much. Bye-bye. Kape na ako. Bye!